Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season. Come see the car for yourself.